My name is Aldrin, and my proposal is that we should prevent homeless from living at Gresham Park. And I made a poster board along with a brochure that you can really see it after the family here done looking at it. So, I'm here to think in helping others, we help ourselves. We'll keep that in mind. First of all, let me talk about why we deserve homeless. Migrating at the park and sleeping there is an important thing to us and why we do something about it. If we want to measure the crimes around us and to have an attractive city for people in and outside the state, we can make our city clean, safe, and peaceful environment. In my presentation, I'm going to talk about the background, the problem, the objectives, proposed solution, and use some resources or organizations that would be helpful to project and the process of creating the proposed solution. Well, let me give you some information about Gresham. Gresham is found to be the fourth largest city in Oregon and the second largest in Portland metropolitan area. Research shows that Gresham has a diverse population of over 100,000 that is made up of long-term residents, young, professional, family, and youth immigrant communities. The place provides high quality of life for its residents and business communities. So the problem is, recently, the Gresham Main Street Park have been a hangout place for homeless, and they're starting to migrate to the area. So the lack of shelter and low numbers of officers around the Gresham area increase the confidence of homeless to do whatever they desire. So according to Annual Homeless Assessment Report Congress, it was said that 75% of sheltered homeless persons resided in the central city. And every time you enter and exit the freeway, you always see a homeless standing on the corner and asking for a spare of change. And homeless around here are increasing rapidly. And without shelter to depend on, they will always try to find a place to settle, and parks became their main target. So this causes the residents living in the area and business owners to be concerned. According to statistics of hate crimes and violence against persons experiencing homelessness in 2007, 130 incidents of non-lethal and 30 incidents of death against homeless are reported. This is pretty high, and we should not have any of this crime taking place. So I don't think anyone of us here will want a homeless roaming around our neighborhood. So my objective is to have a peaceful place for both homeless and neighbors, ensure safety for neighbors and homeless, and also have a clean environment so that our city so that many people would be attracted to our city. So in order to solve the problem of homeless living in Gresham City Park, we need to do the following, and this is our proposed solution: to build homeless shelter and to increase the officers. Because right now, Gresham has only 7 to 12 officers on the street at any given time. And Gresham has fewer officers per 1,000 residents that most jurisdictions in the metro area have. And in doing this, we would achieve our goal of having a clean environment, safe, and peaceful place. Local residents and business owners would also be grateful. And not only that, it would also benefit the homeless because they would not have to stand outside in the cold winter and hot summers asking for spare change. And resources needed. During my research, I found out that many non-profit organizations out there are willing to help and the homeless. For example, the Salvation Army, they provide opportunities for self-sufficient through shelter and social services. The Corporation for Supportive Housing is a non-profit organization and community development, financial institution that helps community create permanent housing through services and prevent and end homelessness. So let's talk about the cost. After my research, I found out that the median hourly rate by a police officer working less than 1 year is $16. And we can lower that to like the minimum wage, and I bet a lot of people would take that. And so the cost of providing housing to the homeless annually per individual, it would cost us around $40,000. But in doing this, we would help ourselves. So let me end you with a quote. Mark Twain once said that kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind